Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today we have another mess kit. Now this is a Swedish mess kit, not to be confused with a Swiss mess kit, which looks like this. See, it's completely different. Check out my review of the Swiss mess kit. This is one of the best mess kits out there, one of the best mess kits you can buy. They're not very expensive for what you get. I think it's worth the price. We'll have a close look at its features and design, and yeah. First thing, let's get it out. There's multiple pieces to this mess kit. We have a wind guard, and I'll show you what that's for in a minute. And here we have the mess kit. We'll have a look at the outside first. Yeah, it's very different than your usual European mess kit. It's kind of an oval shape, not the usual kidney shape. Makes it more unique, I guess. We have the bell handle, and it has a hook. This hook actually has a different use besides just hanging it. Now this mess kit is made out of stainless steel, and it's got this grayish paint scheme on it. Obviously the paint's a little bit worn out, a little bit beat up. It's just cosmetic. It's just heat resistant paint. You can easily just repaint it and it's good as new. Now there is an aluminum version, or aluminium, whatever you want to call it. The stainless steel version is a little bit more rare, a little bit more hard to find, and twice as expensive as the aluminum version. So I'd say it's worth the cash if you can find it and you really want a high quality, very well made, very efficient mess kit, and you like all the features that I'm going to show you. So let's see what else we have. So of course we have the lid, which is a pan, or you could use it as a cup or whatever you want. And there it is. You have a date code. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, and I believe it's from 1955. I could be completely wrong, but that's what my sources say. And that is the pan. That's where you cook your eggs and bacon, whatever you want. Usually this mess kit comes with a cup. It's got this oval shape. You just place it on top, and you place your lid on top, and it all fits nicely together. I don't have the cup. I plan on getting it eventually. The neat thing about this mess kit is that you have your fuel source and your stove, and it all fits right inside the mess kit. No need to, carry it somewhere else. And here we have the fuel source, which is alcohol or alcohol spirits or denatured alcohol, whatever you want to use. I prefer denatured alcohol. And here we have our TRANGIA stove, or alcohol spirit stove. Now this is an original one, not a cheap Chinese knockoff. And it's gonna leak a little bit, so let me show you the bottom. It says TRANGIA, and then you have the 3 crowns. This is made out of bronze or brass. Open it up. Alright, here's the top, and inside we have an O-ring or some kind of rubber seal. It's a little bit worn out. I need to replace it. That's why it's kind of leaking. So the way these things work, you just light a match in here, you let it heat up, you let the alcohol boil, build up pressure, and then you have the flames come out the sides. You can see the little holes, and yeah, that's basically how it works. Alright, so this wind guard or pot stand, whatever you want to call it, basically you unfold these legs, you light your alcohol stove, fits right in this hole. It's perfectly made for it. Let me show you more of the wind guard. You got some air holes, and we have a date code of 1967. This is a little bit newer than the mess kit, and it's made out of aluminum. Flexes very easily, and you just place it here. All right, so now you have your stove, and you can either just crack an egg, fry it. Place that there, and there you go. You can cook your eggs, cook your bacon. You also have the pot, and you want to boil some water. There you go. Now the thing with these TRANGIA stoves, they get really hot, so your handle might be too hot. So either you have to hang it from somewhere, or this could be your handle. Let me show you. Okay, there we go. So you don't burn your hands, or you know, you don't have to use gloves or anything. So now you have a handle. You just continue your boiling or cooking, and once you're done, you can pull it out, and now you can pour your liquid. So yeah, very neat design. You know, they thought of everything. And of course you got the lid or the pan. There you go. Another really cool feature is you have these rings or D-rings. Now this handle gets extremely hot, so if you don't want to get burnt, you either have to wear gloves or have some kind of rag or something, or you know, pick up a stick, put it in there, and there you go. You have an extension to your handle. It won't be hot, it won't burn your hand. So just another cool design feature. Not much else to show you. Here's the bottle again. It's made out of plastic. It's got a nice tight cap on it. And yeah, that's pretty much the Swedish mess kit. Just be aware that there is an aluminum version. Here's how you can tell if your Swedish mess kit is aluminum or stainless steel. The stainless steel mess kit has one of these, I'm not sure what that is, a lip or, you know, dent all around it. The aluminum version has two of these, so you have one here and then has a little space and then another one. So that is the best way you can tell. If you have one ring, you have stainless steel, and if you have two rings, you have aluminum. Just a heads up, so when you're purchasing one or, you know, looking to purchase one, you are well aware that it could either be stainless or aluminum. And usually the price is a dead giveaway. The whole aluminum mess kit with the TRANGIA stove, wind guard, and the bottle usually runs about 50 to 60 bucks, depending on where you get it. These usually run about twice as much, sometimes 3 times as much. So just be aware of that. And yeah, that's all I could say about this kit. I've been wanting to show it for a while. I did have an aluminum version which was practically brand new, and I got rid of it since I have this one. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe, and let me know what I missed, if I missed anything, if you guys have more info on these kits. Yeah, as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.